Hello everyone, good morning. In this series, we are going to see that we in the last session in the last video we have seen that how to identify the first order date, right? Uh, First order date and latest order date. When we go to follow the same way, the interviewer may ask us how to identify the second order date. So generally, can you please write second highest salary in SQL? So generally, how we can write the second highest salary in SQL? We have it similar query. So select max sal as a second max sal from the where sal is less than or equal to second. Select max of sal from EMP, right? So using this, we can identify the second highest sal. Similarly, I want to find out the second order date. So how we can find that second order date in Tableau? So first order date, we have written the fixed LOD function, we have written it and try to identify that first order date. So if I want me to identify that second order date, what would be the calculation we can write it? So let's go for work on it. So I'm going to be analysis. So go for analysis, create calculated field, and I can mention it a second uh, highest salary. Not second high, sorry, second order date. Right? I want to identify the second order date. The first order date, let's check in the results. So the first order date is 2/18/2021. What would be the second order date? 3/7/2021 is our second order date. The particular user or customer ordered the product on the 3/7/2021 is the second time. So I want to be identify this date and display it here. Okay. So what calculation we can write it? Let's see. First we can write it first order date. So first order date, how we write a calculation? We use the fixed LOD function, fixed customer name, colon, and min of order date. We identify that a min of order date, right? So this is a min of order date. And we close the braces. So this is we can write further to get the first order date. Okay, first order date means so it will give the minimum order date. The first order date is using the min function. So the second order date would be is a greater than to this one, right? The second order date would be greater than this, right? So the first order date is suppose we can go with a real example. 2/18/2021 is the first order date here. So this 3/7/2021 is 3/07/2021 is greater than this one, right? Is greater than this date, right? So I can put it here greater than. So before that, this is a minimum. I want to identify the list of dates which are greater than minimum order date, right? Then I can take it is here order date. I want to find that order date which are the greater than this min order date. Okay, I can get these two. I can get these two order dates here. All right. Using this, can I write a calculation? If if my order date is greater than fixed enough order date, then I want to take the order date. Then I want to take the order date and end this if statement. I'm ending that if statement. All right. So what happens when I write calculation? Let me apply. Okay. And try to drag this into rows. And let me go for show you. So exact date and uh, let's convert this continuous field into discrete. Let's check what dates we are getting. Now, the minimum date is null we are showing, and the other two dates we are getting here. The other two dates. And here you can see that this is a min order date, first order date, and remaining all dates are getting displayed. See, the first order date is null, it's showing, remaining all dates we are getting. If we go with here, see the 727 is null and remaining all order dates we are getting displayed here. Okay, let me remove this one. Yeah, clearly you can observe that. Okay, remove this latest order date as well. The min order date is null, remaining order dates we are getting displayed. From these remaining order dates, what date we want to be populate? We want to populate this 5/13/2021, 3/7/2021. This is the second order date, right? So how we can get that second order date get displayed, right? So here you can go for edit this calculation. Okay, edit this calculation. So I want to apply the min function here, min order date from this entire calculation, and it should be fixed into the customer level, right? So I can use fixed customer name colon this entire thing, min of this one, and I can close my braces here. Simple. Okay. First thing we need to be calculate that minimum order date, and the order dates other than that order dates I want to be get displayed. That's just greater than those order dates. If that order dates is greater than min date, I want to be get displayed. That. From that, I want to identify that min order date. Okay. Let's go for apply. Okay. And drag this min second order date here. Now you can see 3/7/2021. It's repeating, right? So here I can see 5/13/2021. And here 3/28/22. So this is the way we can calculate the second order date. Second order date. I think you like this video, and this is a very regularly asking interview question, which we can go for 5 years of Tableau experience if you go for face an interview. So just practice this thing. Yeah. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe and follow.